Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna roll out our dough here, right? So let me...
Is the dough recipe up online for us,
The dough
Jim?
recipe is up online, so let me talk through it. I'm sorry. So basically we have chilled water, we have flour, sugar, salt, and a little bit of vegetable shortening.
Gotcha.
Now, vegetable shortening is
You
better...
prefer that to butter?
In pie crust, yes.
Why?
It's more flexible.
Huh. So you think it's more forgiving?
100%.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna kind of unroll our pie here, right? And then I'm just gonna set it inside, and then you can
Trim
do
the
like
edges,
the little
right.
crimpy thing.
Right.
Then you're going to...
And then you bake it with your dry beans.
Blind
right?
bake it with a little bit of aluminum foil, put your beans
pierce
inside.
the bottom.
Okay.
Right.
You do a little bit of docking or forking, if you want to call it that. So now that we have our water and sugar, we're gonna make our lemon curd. So what we're gonna do is, why don't you add this to this for me?
Sure.
Okay, you wanna...
What is this?
This is water and
Just water
cornstarch.
and cornstarch.
So we're making a little bit of slurry, right?
Gotcha.
All right. And then if you want to add the lemon to the
lemon
yolks.
juice to the egg yolks. 4 egg yolks and about a half a cup of lemon juice.
Yep. And basically what I'm going to do is get this going here until it's smooth, make our slurry.
You want to throw your butter into that yet? Or
No, that's going to come at the
slurry
end.
in first? Okay.
So I'm going to get my slurry in first. Okay. That's going to thicken up. Let this thicken for 1 second. And then we're going to pour in our lemon juice. And
the lemon juice mixture.
Yeah, the mixture. So let's put that in there. Oh,
You're making like a custard.
It's like a custard. So you're going to go nice and slow, whisk it through. Okay, then we're going to finish with
lemon zest
to give it that real potent flavor, and 3 little butters. So now we're going to refrigerate that, right?
And
Which we
chill it
have
up.
over here.
And that's this guy here.
Yep. And then we're going to throw this
Can I fill him in?
Yeah, you got it.
Sure.
Okay, and while you're doing that, I'm going to whip up our egg whites. So one thing you do is after you clean your bowl, I take a little bit of white vinegar,
right,
and I wipe the inside to clean off any residue,
right,
fat or anything, because it'll help the egg whites come to a peak.
Right.
So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna slowly pour in our sugar, stream it in, and that's all it is really. It's just egg white, sugar, and a pinch of salt, just to get the volume, and you just keep whipping it.
Yummy.
All right.
Gotcha.
Okay, then I'm gonna put it in a pastry bag. Oh, and then I'm gonna go like this. Oh, let me center this. And do a little dollops around like that. And then get some crystal sugar or some coarse sugar, and you sprinkle that on the top. Okay. And then we're gonna bake that until it's golden brown at like a 375 oven. Why I put it in the oven first is so that some of the inside of the meringue cooks as well.
Right.
So doing a little bit of slower, it'll get the golden brown on top, and then we're gonna finish it kind of with the torch to get